Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a
Today, you all. Guess what? The new bar stools are in. So I am here to unbox the new bar stools and put them together and put them at our island and let you guys see what they look like. Now, I was struggling in trying to choose the perfect ones. I kept going back and forth, and I decided, well, we collectively decided as a family which ones we wanted. So we chose these beautiful bar stools here, and they did come from Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box, which is going to be my Amazon storefront, so you can go over there and check out the storefront. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you clicked on this video today, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so happy you decided to come back and continue to support At Home with Lisa. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this video so you guys can see how beautiful these bar stools or counter height stools look in my kitchen at my island. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. And if this is some type of content that you like, go ahead and click on that like button. And if you're new, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's get into it. So a little bit of a backstory. Our base of the island was white, not white, it was like gray all the way around. So I wanted a different look, so I decided to paint partial of the island black. As you can see in this picture here, you can see some of the island that is painted black. So I did do that. I painted it black. So I was like, the counter height stools that we have, it's just not working for me with this black, because I wanted a black and white kitchen. So I was like, I'm gonna change. And so I did ask the question in one of my videos, and several of you guys said, yeah, let's get some different bar stools. So I went on the hunt. I was looking at overstock.com, I was looking at Wayfair, and I was looking at Amazon. I was looking at the different styles, and most importantly, I was looking at the price as well too. So y'all, aren't these cute? These are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I love these bar stools. They look so good, you guys. I love it. And yeah, let me go ahead and make this side note. I am not the best one of putting things together. So y'all, just bear with me in putting these bar stools together. And of course, I love you guys, so I'm not going to make you guys sit or want you guys to sit through me putting all 4 bar stools together. I'm just going to show you how I did one, and then we're just going to move forward. We're going to set it up. It's going to look nice, and yeah, you guys. But anyway, I was saying that story to say that we painted the base of the island, and if you missed that video, go back and check it out after you finish watching this video from the beginning to the end. So here I'm just showing you guys the parts of the bar stool, the pieces that we need to put this beauty together. Now, the directions were very self-explanatory, but of course, y'all already know I had my magic wand with me. That's Mr. Smith. He was standing by in case I needed some help or if I got stuck on trying to put these bar stools together. But me, when I'm trying to put something together, y'all, I gotta open up everything. I gotta spread everything out so I can see what's what. Now, I must say, I don't like reading the directions, but it's smart to read the directions, because it'll help you to put it together the correct way. And with these bar stools and someone sits on them, you want to make sure that they are perfectly put together so you don't have any incidents or accidents. Now, these bar stools also swivel. Yes, y'all, they have the swivel effect to them. So y'all just continue to listen to the music and keep on watching. All right, love bugs, it is time. It is time to put this baby together, you guys. And I have to say, when putting these bar stools together, you have to get it right, you guys. You got to use the correct screws, and you have to have everything going in the right direction. So they did include, with the hardware, they did include an L wrench there that you see me using, and that's going to get everything into place. Now, this particular screw here, you want to make sure that it is tight. It is tight and right. So that's step one. That's step one, you guys. So yes. So now let's figure out what is going to be step two. Now, step two is going to be attaching these legs, but y'all see where I'm pointing at? Right there where I'm pointing, guys. You have to make sure that that hole is faced on the inside. It can't be turned on the opposite side, because if it's turned on the opposite side, then when you get ready to put your round metal piece in there, you don't have anything to attach it to. So I'm adding my screws to the legs, but key to this part, what Mr. Smith said, is go ahead and screw them in, but don't screw them in too tight. Don't screw them in all the way. And the reason for that is because if you screw them all the way tight and you put your round metal piece in, you don't have any wiggle room. So you want to make sure that you don't tie them, that you don't screw them in tight. And you guys will see in just a moment, once I get all these legs on, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, you all, the legs are on. So now, as you can see, they're loose. They should be, because the screws are not tied in tight. So now that is the round metal piece that I was telling you guys about. And see, you need to have the holes that connect with the holes on the round piece, and you're going to put your screws in there. Now, if you had already screw the other ones in really tight, then you wouldn't have that room to be able to maneuver. But what you have to remember is you gotta go back and tighten up those other screws on the bottom where you connected the legs. So we're gonna go ahead and screw all of these in, and we don't want to even do these tight yet. We want to get them all in first, all 4 in first, before we go ahead and tighten them up, okay? But we got to remember, y'all, don't forget to go back and tighten them up. All right, now as you guys can see, the base of the chair is done. So don't forget, before you start putting your swivel piece on, make sure that you have tightened up those legs. Now with this piece here, you got to make sure that it matches up with the holes, okay? And it's 2 pieces to this one frame here, so you got to cat corner it can't match, is what I'm saying. So you have to I guess make it uneven, and so I'm going to go ahead and add my screws in here, making sure that my holes are lined up with my frame, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're going to screw these babies in so we can go ahead and create our beautiful bar stools. Y'all, I'm so excited. Can't y'all tell by my voice? I'm so excited to get this bar stool together because I'm ready to see what it looks like, you guys. Okay, we all tight and right, but hey, I had to get my reinforcement because, hey, I only have 2 hands, and so it was easier to have another set of hands. So now what we're doing is we are attaching the stool to the base of the bar stool, and there are 4 screws that you have to put in, connect to the bottom of the seat to the frame of the chair. So that's what we're doing now. We're putting those in, and we're not doing them tight either. We're just going to put them in loosely to make sure they're in, and then we'll go back and tighten them just in case if we need to maneuver something around. So yeah, Mr. Smith is there helping me. Thank you so much, Mr. Smith. And yeah, we're going to get this baby going, and y'all are about to see the beauty of this bar stool. Don't forget, y'all, to give me a big thumbs up, guys. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. All right, you guys, we got it tight and right, so let's go to the reveal. Simply gorgeous. These bar stools look absolutely beautiful against this blackness that's going on here. Y'all, I love it. I enjoyed putting them together. I enjoyed creating this video for you guys. I enjoyed sharing this with you all, and I hope that you all like the look that we are displaying here. Again, if you like this type of content, go ahead and click the like button, and if this is your first time here, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support, and we are on the road to 10K. All right, love bugs, I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.